The global brand Adidas is still grappling with how to dispose of 1.2 billion euros in Yeezy shoes, following its split with the rapper formerly known as Kanye West, which forced the German sportswear maker into a large loss at the end of last year and raised the prospect of more pain in the future. CEO Björn Gulden stated that selling the popular shoe line would entail repaying royalties to Ye, who was fired by Adidas 5 months ago after making anti-Semitic remarks on social media and in interviews. During an earnings call on Wednesday, he mentioned many variables regarding what to do with the shoe that are currently stacked in warehouse. Destroying them could raise sustainability issue, though some companies have offered recycling solutions, said Gulden, who was named CEO after the blow-up over Ye's remark. Restitching them to hide the Yeezy brand so they could be sold is not very honest, so it's not an option, he further said. Suggestions to distribute them to those in need in places such as earthquake-ravaged Syria or Turkey would result in product coming back very quickly due to its high market value. So that's not really an option, he further added. The CEO in further interview stated, and I quote, "If Adidas does decide to sell the shoes, I can promise you that the people that have been hurt by this will also get something good out of it and get donations and proceedings in the different ways, shapes or forms." Adidas severed ties with Ye in October, following other brands under pressure to cut ties with the rapper due to anti-Semitic and other offensive remarks. The company is now struggling to regain profitability to replace the flagship Yeezy line, which analysts estimate accounts for up to 15% of its net income. The Ye breakup cost 600 million euros in lost sales in the last 3 months of 2022, helping drive the company to a net loss of 513 million euros. The decline also attributed to higher supply cost and slumping revenue in China, contracts with a profit of 213 million euros in the fourth quarter of 2021. More losses could be ahead, with the company forecasting a 500 million euro hit to profit earning this year if it decides not to pursue the remaining Yeezy product in stock. The company is predicting a 2023 operating loss of 700 million euros. Gulden said, and I quote, "So many companies were willing to buy the popular shoes, but that would mean paying royalties to Ye. Rumors that the company was in talks to sell them, however, are not true." He had heard from gazillions of people that have opinions about this, and of course, when you're sitting on the inside, it looks a little bit different than it looks on the outside. Gulden also said Adidas is still investigating former employees' allegations that he created a toxic work environment and that the sportswear company knew about the problematic behavior and failed to protect workers. The CEO called 2023 a transition year, saying we can then start to build a profitable business again in 2024. Last year, fourth quarter net sales were up a bare 1.3% at 5.21 billion euros from same quarter a year ago. The company pointed a revenue dropping 50% in China and higher cost of supplies and shipping, which would not be offset by price hikes. For the full year, the German-based company said it made a net profit of 638 million euros on sales that rose 6% to 22.5 billion euros. Adidas also further shook up its leadership by replacing its top sales and marketing executives. Global sales head Ronald Oshel will leave the company after 33 years and be succeeded by Arthur Hood, now head of the Europe, Middle East and Africa region. Brian Grevy, head of global brands, will step down on March 31st. CEO Gulden will take on his product and marketing responsibilities. Well, if you like the information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oneindia News.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.